Myself Wrinkle, working as an iOS developer at TechNotes. Today I am going to discuss about SwiftUI and UIKit. Since Apple released a new UI framework is called as SwiftUI in 2019, one common question is whether you should to learn SwiftUI or UIKit to build a user interface. My short answer is to learn both, especially if you want to become a professional iOS developer. Most of the applications on Apple stores are developed using UIKit. It is very likely you will work on application built with UIKit. SwiftUI does not come with all the types of components. In some cases, you may need to utilize the components provided by UIKit. This is why I suggest you to learn both frameworks during the transition period. SwiftUI is a great fun to work with. You should to get busy learning SwiftUI because it is the future of application development on Apple's platform. But you still need to learn UIKit because those skills will be useful for years to come. Unlike UIKit, which is commonly used in conjunction with storyboards, SwiftUI is completely software based. However, SwiftUI syntax is very easy to understand and a SwiftUI project can be quickly viewed using automatic preview. SwiftUI can work together with UIKit by making it easier to add SwiftUI views to UIKit. SwiftUI was introduced in iOS 13 at a time many of us have big applications built with UIKit. SwiftUI makes us enthusiastic just like when Swift was introduced to get started with these new frameworks for building applications. There are many blogs and articles available to learn SwiftUI, but I personally would suggest to refer a book named Mastering SwiftUI by Simon. Thank you.